Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Since the introduction of NFTs on the XRP ledger, incredible developments have taken place, and we're going to share them all with you immediately. On a side note, Uphold CEO Simon McLaughlin has expressed confidence in XRP despite its recent price decline, but can this confidence translate into action? Last but not least, the Ripple case has shown how important it is to have well-defined rules for the cryptocurrency industry. It is anticipated that the SEC would provide more thorough standards for the industry as a result of this lawsuit, regardless of who wins. What, though, would happen if the worst possible scenario actually occurred? The SEC was successful in its appeal. To learn more, stay with me until the very finish. If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments involving XRP and the cryptocurrency industry at large. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time. The best XRP NFT exchange, XRP Cafe. In this latest update, Ledger provides crucial details about NFTs on XRP-L. In less than 24 hours, fresh XRP-L amendments will pass with enhancements to NFTs, as reported by XRP Cafe. The CIT criteria have been satisfied, hence this is the result. The UNL vote has been at or above the 80% mark for nearly 2 weeks. The NFT exchange publishes a snapshot of the upcoming changes to the primary XRP ledger. Ripple Blockchain Analysis Native Tokens, NFTs, are unlike issued currencies in that they are integral to the system from the start. They can be made and traded without the use of smart contracts. In October 2022, XLS20 standardized NFTs, introducing benefits like royalties and anti-spam features that enable users avoid unwanted tokens while also being compliant. Ripple's director, Miyoshi claims that the XRP ledger's automatic royalties for NFTs are enforced at the chain protocol level, rather than being at the mercy of tokenized marketplaces. As of October 2022, XRP Ledger now supports NFTs. There has been incredible development. According to Messari's XRPL Q2 report, one of the few measurements of network activity that increased quarterly was the total number of NFT transactions. From Q1 to Q3, the average number of daily NFT transactions increased by 1,273. QoQ increases were seen across the board for NFT transaction types, although the ELFR's share of the market jumped to over 50%. By the end of the second quarter, the XLS20 standard had been used to mint 1.6 million NFTs. In related news, Italian motorcycle company Ducati, located in Bologna, used the XRP ledger to release its first web-based digital collectibles last month. In an intriguing move, Sustain CEO Simon McLaughlin also discussed the significance of openness and the security of users' cash within the XRP community. McLaughlin said in a recent interview that he has seen extraordinary growth in the number of transactions involving XRP from retail crypto investors. Contrary to market expectations, the platform has actually seen significant inflows of capital. McLaughlin said they were able to achieve this by continuously backing the XRP community, a gamble that paid off over the course of 2 years. The CEO cited openness as a primary factor in Uphold's recent success. He boasted that Uphold is the best of its kind since it gives customers a status update on their reserves every 30 seconds. The current data displayed on Uphold's website demonstrate that this type of real-time transparency has evolved as a key selling point of the platform. With $1.9 billion in liabilities and $1.9 billion in reserves, the platform's collateralization ratio is an excellent 100 to 1.9%. The $1.2 billion in liabilities are reliably supported by the $1.2 billion in reserves held in XRP. According to the numbers, XRP transactions make up a sizable portion of the platform's total turnover, making up 28.41% of it in total. The platform has stood out as a potential contender in the dynamic field of digital banking because to its forward-thinking approach. Supporters' unwavering belief in XRP and its innovative transparency initiative are encouraging signs for the cryptocurrency market. What will happen to XRP if the SEC is successful in its appeal is the burning question of the day. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts are ecstatic by the recent court finding that XRP tokens issued on digital asset exchanges by Ripple Labs do not constitute a security. With this ruling, there is now a chance that the cryptocurrency regulatory environment will become more clear. Nonetheless, the fight for transparent crypto rules is far from done, despite this success for Ripple and the crypto community. The XRP coin is not a security when offered to the general public, as determined by Judge Annalisa Torres of the Southern District of New York a few weeks ago. However, she did say that prior XRP sales to institutional clients can be viewed as securities. The ruling was celebrated as a victory for Ripple Labs and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, providing them more power in their fight for regulatory clarification. However, Stu LDRD, Chief Legal Officer of Ripple's, has warned that the battle has not yet been won. The SEC disagrees with the court's decision and the supporting paperwork in a separate action against Terraform Labs. The SEC argued that the court should not uphold the ruling because it was made in error. The organization added that it is looking at other avenues as well. In addition, on August 9 the SEC requested leave to appeal a portion of the ruling, arguing that the outcome of the appeals might have far-reaching implications for a number of other matters currently before the courts. There has already established an interdistrict division on these two problems, indicating that there is substantial room for divergence of opinion on controlling matters of law. But LDRD thinks the judge followed the law when making his conclusion. He made this claim on the most recent edition of his viral podcast, TechCrunch. We believe the judge made the proper call there. And we consider that a just interpretation of the law. And I believe a court of appeals will not only uphold that, but even accentuate that. He hoped that the judge's ruling in the Ripple case would serve as an example to other courts and convince them that the SEC's position was incorrect. However, he stressed the importance of establishing the most effective regulatory structure to safeguard the market. The United States could lose its lead in blockchain innovation and fall behind other countries in the crypto industry without a comprehensive legal framework. He went on to say that without it, the United States will continue to lose out on the crypto business and the technology underlying it, as well as the brilliant entrepreneurs who are driving it. Following high-profile failures like those of FootX and BlockFi, U.S. regulatory agencies took a more antagonistic approach toward the cryptocurrency industry. In particular, the CFTC and the SEC have taken strong action against the cryptocurrency market. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, sued cryptocurrency exchange Nance and its founder, gum-chewing CZ Joe, in March on the grounds that the exchange had illegally offered unregistered crypto derivative products. Kraken reached a similar settlement with the SEC, agreeing to stop providing staking services to clients in the U.S. in exchange for a $30 million punishment. Two of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Nance and Coinbase, have recently been sued by the SEC for selling unregistered securities and other alleged violations. In the meanwhile, crypto businesses are proceeding regardless of the outcome of these legal battles. Numerous large crypto firms situated in the U.S. are seriously contemplating shifting to a more favorable jurisdiction. Coinbase has an office in Bermuda and is considering opening an overseas trading platform. Furthermore, Seattle-based Bittrex has suspended U.S. operations, and Gemini, another major U.S. exchange, is considering relocating to the UAE. A research from Electric Capital in April noted a steady decline in the proportion of blockchain engineers based in the United States over the preceding 5 years. This reduction, from 40% in 2017 to 29% in 2020, may indicate that crypto investors are fleeing the United States due to regulatory uncertainties. If the SEC's appeal is successful, then what will happen? The crypto community may be feeling upbeat with the recent court verdict in favor of Ripple Labs, but the fight for transparent crypto regulations continues. Disagreement with the SEC and the possibility of an appeal demonstrate the presence of further obstacles. If the SEC is successful in its appeal, it will add weight to the Commission's argument that XRP is a security. There could be serious repercussions for XRP-like cryptocurrencies if this scenario plays out, as laws will tighten as a result. However, if the SEC's appeal is unsuccessful and they lose the case against Ripple Labs, it would be a major setback for their authority and jurisdiction over the digital assets industry. If the SEC were to suffer such a setback, it would suggest that the current crypto regulatory structure is either inadequate or improper. The SEC may need to rethink its strategy to cryptocurrency regulation if it suffers a loss. As a result, the Commission may re-evaluate how it has classified different tokens and decide whether to update the current legal framework or roll out a new one tailored to cryptocurrencies. To achieve this goal, it may be necessary to have discussions with professionals in the field, policymakers, and market players. Nonetheless, the case has shown the importance of having well-defined regulations in the crypto realm. Regardless of who ends out on top, this case will likely result in the SEC establishing new precedents for future litigation or revising existing guidelines to better serve the industry as a whole. Partner at Bracewell LLP David Shartgill commented on the importance of this judgment, saying that it shows the necessity for clear regulations and uniform standards for all types of market participants and transactions. This distinction will keep on fueling inquiries into the legitimacy and regulation frameworks of Bitcoin trade. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for alerts. See you later, bye.